Ladies and gentlemen, this is Coughing Pagdos.
Wait, I'm back here changing. No.
Oh, I forgot to put the dress back on Ken's body.
And you hear a little ding ding ding. You're like, oh Lord, there's another car coming.
Oh God, his head came off again.
Yeah, she sits like this now. Boing, boing, boing. She sits like this.
I mean, can y'all see that? I don't know if the camera's good or not to see it, but she's literally sitting like a freaking maniac. Put your head back on your shoulders, Ken. I'm not doing this for you.
Okay, and you hear a car coming to the face. She's like, hey, girl, you see? She's only holding on for one foot.
Alright,
Ready?
no. Alright, get him up. Hey, girl, you single? Shut up. He looks like a bobblehead, but shut up. And you go, sorry, I only date guys who actually have a head.
Sorry, I only think I have a head.
Oh! Rude.
But,
You make an exception? But, well, I'll let you look at my butt now.
Like, no, never mind.
Oh God, it came off again!
Go, I want to find a man. Hurry up.
You give me my money and then I give you my number.
There you go, some money.
There you
Oh,
go.
thank you. Hey, señorita, you single?
What does it look
And
like?
then you realize
I'm gonna show you what a buff man looks like. No idea about
Oh,
it.
sir.
Yes.
Can you please fix my brake, please, for a minute?
Oh, what's wrong? Do your car not
Can you
want to
fix
start?
it?
Yes, I got you. Oh, she decapitated him! No! Ken! Oh,
Stop.
oh.
You see me?
Now you don't.
No. You see me? See Ken?
That's what happens.
Haunt you.
now you see girls walking down the street.
No,
See,
ooh.
chicks dig a guy with no head. If you don't have a head,
you ever
boom.
seen a guy-
Shut up. I'm trying to give the boys relationship advice. Chicks dig guys without heads. Watch this and I will prove it to you.
No. Girl, I never seen anybody like that.
Hey, ladies. You
Yo,
single?
bro, you got no head.
I have no head. Oh yeah,
You
my
got
head's
no-
right here. He's my best friend. What? You guys act like it's not normal to see a guy with. Y'all act like it's not normal to see a man with no head.
You're like, don't you dare. Like, don't you dare.
No, sister,
No!
no.
Don't do it! No! I can fly too. Wait, do it again. Alright, ready?
Sister,
Don't do it!
stop.
Don't
No,
do it!
no.
Oh, can't catch his hair. Oh, bonker. Oh. Thank you! You saved my life!
Thank you. Excuse me, I'm
No
about to.
problem.
I'm about to.
I got you. I got you. Oh!
Ow.
You okay? Are you okay? Madam.
Let's
Girl, get
go.
in the car.
Let's roll.
Yeah.
You know what? I got a better idea.
Let me get in my car. You're like, can I ride with somebody?
Can I ride with
Hey,
somebody?
sir. Can you please take my motor for a minute? Like, oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I'll check out your truck. Oh! His head came off! Again! Ah!
Good job. Good job.
Y'all act like I am never going to come back.
Okay.
Cause you won't.
Continue.
You bet. I'm right there.
I'll bet.
After I gave you a kiss.
No.
Whoa! I think.
Pretend like I'm tanning.
You say, ooh, she's romantic.
Oh.
Magic.
Look at that one on the beach. That love of my life. And this is how they.
Excuse me.
I need you to move. I want to get to your friend.
She's not my. Like, girl, get off of me.
Hey.
You start coughing. Here. Oh. Senorita. I should probably put my dress back on because Daggone. Mommy, you looking fine as
Oh, her knees
get.
popped.
I'm not convinced that they didn't steal a child's soul and put it in that thing.
Look.
The only thing that popped was his head.
Oh, girl, this is the dream.
I'm switching over my
This is the dream. This is the dream.
I gotta put his drawers back on.
And it's long.
Put his head in the back. Who cares
And
now?
it's long.
Hey, ma'am in the blue dress. I wanted to say you are looking. Oh, are you okay?
Like, are you okay?
How long has this been happening for? How long has this been happening for?
Bro, she passed out. What do you
Bro, you
expect?
shut up. Come on,
You
I'll
don't
take you
even
to the
have a head, so you
hospital.
can't even
I'll
talk.
take you to the hospital. Come on.
She doesn't want you. You want
I didn't
me.
ask you, fam.
Okay.
Like, what happened?
need
I'm
Like,
gonna.
you killed her.
you need to go.
No, ma'am. I'm going to take you to the hospital.
Like, you killed her.
You killed her.
I feel for her to beat.
Nah.
She's alive.
Okay.
Come on, let me just take you to the hospital for a little
I'm
bit.
No.
fine.
You see this victim?
That's my head. Oh my gosh, my head.
Go get cocky.
I know.
Whoa. Wait, does she have a
Boom.
bathing suit?
I think she does.
And I got like superhuman strength.
No.
But
She has
ha-
a green one. Nope.
Don't get demonetized. We don't want to get demonetized.
Nope.
She's perfect.
Let's pick a different one.
And he's perfect
Is he
too.
pretty?
Except he doesn't have underpants, so I can't show much. Oh god, that's a butt. I'm sorry. That's a butt.
That is a full one. She's pretty.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright, how about the panties?
Panties
Okay,
are
they're
good.
good.
Panties are coochie.
That's kind of weird for panties.
They don't even, they literally are just like. Okay.
I sleep
then-
up.
You're more
I do like
attractive
this.
to me than her.
Oh wait, do you know what happened to the Jordan shorts?
They're still on there.
We're gonna find them.
If they won't fit a girl's butt, they won't fit his.
Girls' butts are wider though.
They're thick.
They thicky mickeys. Okay.
You're more attractive to me than her.
Okay, well let me see if this even.
Oh! Nasty.
I can't show you guys anything because I don't want to get demonetized. But we're gonna try and put Chicago Bulls shorts on.
Oh, this feels amazing, doesn't it? Feels amazing.
You see the backside of us, and then you say flip over, and we just flip over. You're like, oh my lord.
And you're more attractive to me because I stay
Okay.
like this.
Y'all keep talking. I ain't even done yet. I need to find something that's like. You know what? You
Yeah,
think
what's
these will
that? That's what's that.
Swimsuit. Swimsuit.
work? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Oh god, I can't even get it. You know what? Forget it. We're just gonna tie these around in the back.
Did you forget that we're recording?
No, I did not.
Oh,
Oh, there we go. You can't even see his butt. This works.
oh.
Flip over. Flip over. No, flip over.
No.
Hello, ma'ams.
Hi.
Hi.
I don't want you to think of anything weird. I have no head, but I was born that way.
Oh.
I wanted to ask, what's your name? Missy? Blondie?
Me?
Yes, you. What's your name?
Addison.
Addison. Well, I think that's a very beautiful name, just like you. Do you maybe want to go like a, maybe you want to go to like the movies with me or something?
Can I get dressed? Hell. Girl, you don't matter. You're a piece of junk. You don't matter.
Oh my gosh.
Whatever.
Is that how you guys always talk to each other?
Yeah,
I don't care,
only
I'm
when
just
they're eye
tan.
beats and boys are.
I'll just tan.
Yeah, you better.
Okay, fine. Just leave me alone. I'm tanning.
Give me
I'm
that.
sunbathing.
Okay. I honestly think I should just left this dress on. Ah! I got it on. 1 foot. I would ask one of you to help me, but.
Are you ready?
Ah! No!
Hello, sir?
Hello.
Is anybody here?
I'm right here. I'm trying to get my
Are
pants
you
on.
okay?
No.
Need help?
No.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay.
My pants are being stupid. That is my head.
Oh. That is a little one with no head. Stupid, but okay. Why do you keep your head in the back of the trunk?
So that way, if I ever have the money, I can get a doctor to surgically put it back onto my head.
Oh, I'm a surgeon this thing now.
Oh, you are?
Yeah. Today's my day off.
Oh, okay.
I'm a podiatrist and a surgeon.
A podiatrist?
I'm a podiatrist. It's a foot doctor.
Podiatrist?
Podiatrist is a foot doctor.
Foot?
I think that's like no, I was gonna say I think that's a pediatrician, but no, that's a doctor for kids.
It's a foot doctor. A podiatrist is a foot doctor.
Okay, if she has the
Okay.
wrong information, let us know in the comments.
Stop talking, because he's mine. Apparently, he wants me. So.
And I'm having very many struggles. That's gotten bigger. They shouldn't demonetize us for that.
You have to put your head back on.
I will. After I get it surgically put back on. This is gonna look so stupid, but I don't care. Because I don't want his booty hanging out.
Beautiful. Maybe you should get Mammy to sew it back on.
Well, you're busy right now.
Do we have tape in here?
You know what? Forget it. No one cares. We're gonna surgically put his head back on. Operation put Ken's head back on is a go.
Ow. You're taking so long. Where are you?
I'm right here. I couldn't get my head on.
Apparently not.
And I come
Come
out
on
the
here.
room, you're like, what the heck?
Opens the door for you.
Y'all getting ready to drive off, and you say, well, how much was that dress?
Shuts it.
Wait, don't drive off yet. I
We
need to
won't.
get her. Her butt's too wide.
Where are we gonna go?
I was thinking Applebee's.
I hate Applebee's.
Texas Steakhouse.
Sure.
Outback.
I said sure.
I mean, okay, sure.
Hey, who's that lady over there?
I can't turn my head. I haven't gotten it surgically.
Whatever. I'm gonna go check her out. Hey, girl, are you okay in there?
Yeah.
Hey girls, I'm gonna throw you an elephant, eh? Did they even make noise?
You're like, oh, are you Princess Rosalina?
But you're not interested in her. Like, whatever. Like, whatevs. Hey, you.
Yes.
There is a girl out there, and I don't think you'll like her more than me. Like, I won't, and you don't.
Sorry guys, we'll be right back.
Here,
Bring the camera, bring the camera.
No, the camera. Stay here. Continue.
Alright. They just had a male passed out in Handy Mart.
Handy Mark.
Yeah, they said Handy Mart.
Mm.
In Alliance.
You're like, are you?
Are you Princess Rosalia?
You're not interested in her.
Nice to meet you.
Hi. I'm
Come on, honey, hurry up.
sorry, I'm just introducing myself to the princess.
Hurry up. She's not a stupid princess. She's just acting like one.
I'm Darian.
Hi, Darian.
Hurry up, honey.
I'm coming.
Give me a minute. Don't
Oh.
drive off. Hey, girl, by the way, you stink. And I never liked you anyway. Ha!
Wait, you know Princess Rosalia?
Yeah, she's not a real princess. That's my sister.
Oh. Yeah, I don't even look the same, but okay. Come on. You ready?
Whatever, we're not twins. It doesn't matter.
And then you actually realize that in the DNA that I actually was a princess.
Can you tell me your right here?
And pretend you went with me
Pretend I was
to get my
hanging out the
DNA
side of the
test and I
window.
actually was a
Then you,
royal princess.
Madison, she realizes. And you keep reaching over to me saying, "Are you okay? Are you okay?"
Are you alright? Are you alright?
What happened?
And you
I
saw me.
don't know.
Hold on, and then, shut up. And then this guy comes out of nowhere. Boom!
And he
Alright,
knocks out.
move so the camera can see it.
No,
Alright,
don't do right in
oh
front
no.
of it. Don't do right in front of it.
Emily, move. Oh no. Let go of her hair.
No, she's gonna jump out.
Uno, dos, tres.
Are you okay? I don't. No, whoa.
Then you see me pass out. You're like,
Oh.
And he just gets like, and then you guys find him just sprawled out across the road.
Are you
And then-
okay?
Hold on. I need someone that was in the car. Oh my gosh. I'm like, so sorry. I didn't see you. Are you okay?
You better be sorry. Leave him alone.
Hey, back off!
excuse me. Excuse me.
What? Roar. An arm is not supposed to do that.
I am Princess Rosalina Gonzalez.
Come here. I got him. I got
No,
him.
I do.
No, stop.
He's
Don't
mine.
move him.
He's mine.
Shut up. If you move him and he has neck problem, what do you want?
Pretend you were laying on the ground checking him out.
I know
Then I ran over you. You were right here. I don't run over him.
I know somebody that.
And no. She slaps me. I fall and hit the ground and you run me over.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's the second time today.
If by the same person. Ow! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Stop!
You're like, I'm not
Just
interested.
be-
Babe, what the
You're
heck?
like,
I'm a jerk.
Like,
She was
I'm
trying
not-
to kiss you.
No, she,
Like,
no,
I'm
she
not-
wasn't.
like,
I was
I'm not
awake the whole
interested in you
time.
anymore.
You guys were the ones that were trying to pull her off from me when she was trying to help me.
Like,
I
I'm
was
not
trying to
interested
help
to you
you.
anymore.
I'm not interested to you anymore.
Whatever.
He says
Oh.
that. He says that.
You know, just get out of my sight. Go. Go home. I ain't even
Hey, can I
paying.
tell you something? Like,
What?
you're never important to me in the first place.
I don't care.
Oh!
Ugh. Go. Mama, you're okay? Yes. I'm fine, thank you, Sarah. I'm sorry.
Oh, by the way, I'm taking your car. You dumb
No, you
dumb.
ain't either. No, it's okay. It's okay. I got my truck. And then she has like superhuman. Okay, shut up. She has superhuman powers that stops the car. Boom!
Stop it!
Crushes the front end of the car.
Stop it! And you realize I passed out. Like,
She
oh,
tried.
I'm
now.
so sorry.
Is her knee supposed to do that?
Like,
Whoa, pop!
he said, "Ma'am, I'm so sorry." He said,
Can y'all
"Ma'am,
hear
I'm
that?
so." He said, "Ma'am, I'm so sorry."
Ma'am, I am not sorry.
He said, "I'm so sorry."
Here, no, I'm not. I'm gonna put my friend's head back on.
You're like, "Ma'am, are you okay?"
That's where Rosalia is.
Ma'am, are you okay? No.
Just so you know, I was never your sister. I'm your cousin.
I hope you're okay. Yeah, I'm fine.
And then you see me.
They didn't do
You
anything
see
to
me
you, did they?
glistening
Wait.
around.
Then you see me like, oh.
What's your name?
Hey,
Oh.
you're like, forget you.
No, he doesn't forget her. She saved his life. Hi, who are you?
I'm Rosalina the Third.
I thought that was Rosalina the Third.
He's whatever.
What do you mean she's whatever?
Angela?
Rosalina?
Awkward. Oh, Lord.
Hi.
Like, you just. You
Honey, you need to back away now.
You back off.
Oh, no. Hey. Nobody hit her.
And
you check my pulse.
Oh!
You check my pulse. You check my pulse. I'm like, she's dying. He checks it. No,
He's
checks
out. I
No.
kicked him in the under. I kicked him.
She kicked him in the balls, okay? I'm pretty sure that hurt.
Okay.
Because she went full on.
Let's do it.
Wait, let's make sure the camera catches it right here like this.
You know what? I didn't even care about you or her. So if we're gonna do this the easy way or the hard way.
I don't care whatever way you want to do.
Who's next?
Oh! I'm infertile.
His butt's
Oh! Ow! Ow! My butt! Ow! Ow!
Oh, by the way,
And then
stand up.
you wake back up.
Stand up.
I can't walk. Ow!
You wake back up and you see me. You're like, she's
Oh.
dying. She has no pulse.
Oh my gosh!
Back
No,
off.
the man.
No, not the man.
He's dead.
The man is passed out.
Wait.
I'm pretty sure the man is infertile now. I have
No,
his,
she's
at least
dead.
I have his head.
He's almost dying.
Okay.
What?
Now take this car. What are you doing to him? No, stop.
Then I kick you.
Oh. Now you know how it feels.
She's dead. Okay, she's dead. She's dead.
Die. I broke her neck. I think I broke her neck. Alright, guys. I think we're gonna end that. Ladies and gentlemen.
He has to stay on her.
No, shut up. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we're gonna end the episode right there. If you want more of this, let us know in the comments down below.
Oh, whoa.
Ladies and gentlemen, this was Coughing Part 2. Alright, everybody. Peace out. We love you all. Bye.
Bye.